Instagram messages not sending or receiving. How to fix it, quick and easy solution. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll help you fix the problem where you can't send or receive messages on Instagram. Let's get started. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as 1. Poor internet connection. 2. Outdated Instagram app. 3. Instagram server issues. 4. Account restrictions or temporary bans. 5. Full storage or app cache issues. First, ensure you have a strong internet connection. Try these quick steps. Turn airplane mode on and off. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Restart your router. Next, clear the Instagram app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete the Instagram app and reinstall it from the App Store. Check if your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's available. If the problem is on Instagram's side, you'll need to wait. You can check the status on sites like Down Detector. If others report issues, Instagram is probably fixing it. Make sure your account isn't restricted. Go to Settings, Account Status. If you see any violations, follow Instagram's instructions to resolve them. Sometimes, full storage can cause app issues. Free up some space by deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos. Try logging into Instagram on a different phone or from a browser at instagram.com. If messages work there, your app may be the issue. If the problem isn't resolved, report it to Instagram. Go to Settings, Help, Report a problem. Something isn't working. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech solutions. See you in the next one.